Hello, welcome to Tad's LEGO Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build something that looks a bit like a whirlpool. Let's get started. First you want a 4x4 plate as your base, and you want to use a worm gear assembly. You want to snap that on to the right and put a gear right here. Next, you want to get an axle and put it through so it hits the gear and goes right through. After that, get a clutch gear and just put it on the end so you can spin that gear like this. After that, put a bunch of transparent bricks here as a see-through window and put this piece that looks like it steps up. So you slide that piece in here, put the smallest clutch gear here, and put 3 1x2s in this formation and stack them right behind here. Next, what you want to do is put this piece just here, so then when it spins like this. Then you put a 1x4 brick on top here, a 1x4 plate on top of another one, and finally a 1x4 tile. I mean a 2x4s. Snap that on. Now you have your very own whirlpool spinner. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe and share. Bye!